Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for this vlog is gonna be continuing my Pokemon cards, pulling of Pokemon cards here on my channel. So okay, and then also this will be the last 10 booster pack. So I have a lot in my mind that I want to make some more content here in my channel. Uh, so but I didn't know where to start. It's because I don't have much more time to make vlogs, to make to make content here in my channel outside. Okay, I really want to make content outside. It's because I want to explore more content here in my channel, and also I'm a little bit introvert sometimes, but still I want to explore more. I want to explore more content. Okay, so if you really like pulling some Pokemon cards here in my channel, so uh, just tell me if you want, if you're not happy and contented with my frankly speaking, if you do not like my vlog, so actually just tell me the truth, right? So comment down below, because I want to know that. So every what is this called, every video that I upload, there's no one will comment in my vlogs. There's no one will comment in my video. Only my close friend will comment in my video, and because sometimes they cannot comment is because they have some work. So okay, so this is gonna be the last. Okay, this will gonna be the last Pokemon card, pulling Pokemon cards, and then go on to the next content that I can do for you everyone. Okay, so here it goes, and let's go and gonna start it up. Okay, okay, here we go. There are some 10 booster packs over here. Okay, and then let's go gonna open this up. Okay, let's go gonna open it. Okay, okay, I'm a little bit sick today. I'm a little bit sick, and I can still manage to make a vlog. Okay, okay, and another. Okay, okay, here it goes. It is a psychic type. Okay, it's a psychic type. Okay, here it goes. And divide GX. Oh, and a psychic. Oh, wow, Espion. Yes, yes. Hottest pull for the day is the Espion GX. Okay, already ready. Wow, it's the evolution, right? It's the evolution right there. Espion GX. Whoa, when you look at that, oh, didn't expect that one. Okay, didn't expect that one. Okay, hopefully there's still another, right? There's still another. Okay, okay, and I know it's upside down. Okay, it's upside down. Okay, Noivern, Archon, Radiant, Charina, Milotic, Meowstic, and a Krogap. Okay, what is this? And it is a steel type. Yes, it's a steel type. Algorithm GX, Giga Hammer. Oh, it's a Metagross GX. Oh, nice. Okay, And on to the next. And there it goes. So upside down. Okay, GP de la Hora Armaldo Robot Spinda Swablu Sigrif and Ametang. Okay, and it is a fighting type, right? So it is a fighting type. Let's go, gonna check this out over here. And it's a Phalanx V, right? It's a Phalanx V. Okay, next one over here is gonna go to this. Okay, and then here it goes. Then we have some Redinate, Talon Flame, Stone Journer, Fletchhender, Hisuian Breviary, Keldeo, Baltoy, and Aswerdix. Okay, let's go. What is this one? And another is a Steel type again. It's a Steel type Pokemon. It's a Steel type. We've got some Rockdown and Adamantine. Oh, okay. I know this one. I think it's a Copper Raja V. Oh, look at that. Nice. Okay, nice. Holographic. Right. It's a Copper Raja V. Okay, and then on to the next. The next card. Okay, something wrong with the card right here, but it's okay. It doesn't affect the front. Okay, we got a Hypno, Mischievous, Lopunny, Litten, Clamp, a Sunfern, a Phoebus, and a Fion. Okay, so here it goes, and it is a Psychic type. Okay, here it goes. Okay, it's a Psychic. Oh, what is this one? 2 legs, and it's a NDDV. Okay, that was the famous NDD in the Pokemon Unite Wild Pokemon NDD in the Pokemon Unite. Yo, first time I have some NDD, right? So, okay, and then okay. And there it goes, and we have some more Crow, and we're gonna have to spin that upside down. Okay, and a Frostlass. Okay, and also a Medicham, Howlucha, Venomoth, Sunflora. Still, what is this? Okay, something's wrong with the card. Here's the card, and there's also a small circle right also right there. So as you can see right there, and then we have some Duosion and Anoreth. Okay, and then what's this one? And it is still a fighting type. Okay, fighting type. Okay, and a Rocky Avalanche GX, Heavy Impact, and who is this one? And it's an Onyx. Wow, it's an Onyx GX. Whoa, what? Okay, very interesting Pokemon cards that I have pulled for today. A lot of GX and great pulls. Okay, why is this card is upside down? Chimeco, Victini, Toxapex. Oh, Toxapex in Marini. Okay, I now have the full evolution. Beldum, Archeops, Palosan, Fennekin, and Altaria. And it's a fighting type again. Okay, let's go. Verdict GX and a Lance Rat. Okay, what is this one? Cell Connector. Is a tag team? Oh, it's a Zygarde GX. Whoa. Zygarde. Oh. Hey, Onyx. Onyx is not a fighting type. It's a rock type and a ground type. Okay. Okay, here it goes, and okay, why is it so upside down? Dragapult, Meditite, Rufflet, Radiant, Alakazam, Curlia, Korokoro, and Incineroar. Okay, we have that here. Gonna check that out. It's a fire type. Okay. It's a fire type. Okay. Let's see who is this. Okay. Braveborn GX. Firefall. Oh, okay. Combustion. Oh, I know this. It's an NT. Whoa, yes. It's an NT. Will you look at that? Oh, amazing. Got some hottest pulls from this Pokemon Go X and Y Crown Zenith. Okay, something from the card already. Okay, and then we have some Growlithe. Let's go gonna upside down that card. Okay, we have some Growlithe, a Marini. Yes, Marini and Toxapex. Okay, and we have some Relicanth, Slurpuff, and a Chimeco. Okay, and also a Dragapult, and we have some Metagross. So let's check that one. And it is a normal type Pokemon. It's a normal type. Okay, Gunshoe Chance. Okay, weakness is a fire type, right? Weakness is a fighting type. Fighting type is weakness. Okay. Headbutt Bounce. Okay. Who is this? Oh, it's a Gumshoes GX. Oh, this is a new one. Okay. That's why this is a Gumshoe Chance. Okay. It's a Gumshoe GX. And on to the last. Okay. We are now into the last one. And we have some Stunfisk, Ferrothorn, Klinklang, Ariados, Growlithe, Stunfisk, and a Fletchling, and a Torracat. Okay, let's go gonna check this out. Okay. And it's a dragon type. Okay, it's a dragon type Pokemon. Okay, let's go gonna check this out. Okay, Chaotic Order GX. Okay, Jet Pierce, and it's a tag team. Okay, who is this? Naganadel and Guzzlord. Oh, Ultra Beast, right? There's an Ultra Beast of a tag team, right? So I didn't notice it below, and there's also a tag team right there. There's a tag team over right there, so I didn't notice that below. Okay, it's a tag team of Naganadel and Guzzlord. Ultra Beast from Ultra Sun and Moon. Okay, so let's have a quick recap. So got some basic legendary. Terrakion is a fighting type. Okay, is Terrakion a fighting type? Okay, and we have some Radiant over here, Radiant Alakazam and Radiant Charina. So I'm just hoping that there will also a Radiant Pokemon card that it is what is this called in a holographic. It's because the original of this one, the original of this region is the original of this region is holographic. Okay, and got some pile over here of basic Pokemon cards that you can see. We have some Torakat, Fledgling, Stunfisk, Growlithe, Ariados, Klinklang, Ferrothorn. Okay, you can see that right there. So Dragapult, Chamiko. So if you see that colors of it, if you see the colors, okay, it is based on their Pokemon type. It is based on their Pokemon type. So if you see the red, it is a fire type Pokemon, right? So if you see this one, is a normal type Pokemon, but it is also a flying type and a fire type Pokemon. So you know already what is kind of that one. So if you see this the yellow is an electric type Pokemon. It's an electric type, okay. And as you will see, this one is a steel type Pokemon. Gray color, gray steel type. And also this one right here is a color of the purple, is a psychic type Pokemon. There are psychic, and this one is right here is a water type Pokemon. Okay, and also this one right here is a poison dark type Pokemon. If you see this one, if you see this kind, if you see this that kind of again, it's a dark type Pokemon, and it's also a also what is this called, also a poison type Pokemon and also a water type. So triple type Pokemon that you can triple type Pokemon that you are want to. So all of my Pokemon cards, I organize it into different types of Pokemon, which is electric, water, electric type, water type, grass type, dragon type, and also so here it goes. The last one we have the tag team GX of Laganadel and Guzzlord. Has some Gumshoes, Entei, a Zygarde, an Onix, Indeedee, a Piranha, Phalanx, Metagross, and an Espeon. Alright, so we have some Espeon over here. Okay, for the last Pokemon cards here on my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy. And also, please don't forget to subscribe, because I really need your subscription to I really need your subscription to help me monetize into my channel. So again, thank you so much for watching, and again, please subscribe to my channel, and also see you again on my next video.